Welcome back to TDM. We're gonna play some TDM. My Wi-Fi is back, baby. Let's go. 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. So today I'm gonna be using the BAL-27. I think that's what it's called anyway. Because I want to see how my skill is with that weapon. Ooh. First cough of the day, baby. That's a good start. See, as you can see, waiting connection. My Wi-Fi has been back. I'm trying to see the lack of uploads. I was trying to do daily videos this week. So far, I've only got 3. Let's just go. Let's go. Come on. Get me into it. Get me into it. Don't count to 14. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. Get me in the match. Why am I not going in the match? Just get me in a 20 already. Is 20 the limit? Is 20 the number you gotta get into? Or am I wrong? I'm wrong. Okay, so that happened. That obviously happened. Okay. So that happened. So as you can see, something is wrong. Now this is my class. This is a BAL-27 with an RW1 temp set. Tempest or something? I don't know how you say that, but this I want to save. And I want to express. Let's go airborne. There we go. We are gonna do some retreat, babies. Retreat's fine. Let's go. If people don't leave, I think we can do it. I'll meet you guys when I finally get a match going. Okay? We're finally back. The first Xbox Live, if it's a bit laggy. We can handle it. We can handle it, guys. We can handle it. The only reason why I think we can handle it is because I am finally found a match. That's all that matters. I found a match. And I am not laggy yet. So as you can see, that's the pistol I'm using. It sucks. I don't know why I'm using it. It's 1 bullet. I hate 1 bullets. Enemy. Oh, come on! Well, he actually kind of saved my life now, so can't blame him. Should I go down? Yeah, let's go down. I want to put red dot sight on this thing because can I just break it with my head? I can't do it. We're winning, but I'm suck. I suck at this gun. Let's do the KF5G because that thing can help me through situations And as you can see, the BAL is not accurate from me. So when I first started using a gun,
enemy UAV above.
Can't let them have that UAV and let it destroy us. Oh, that glitch. What did he kill me with? I think he might have KF5 me. Oh, the back of the map. Jeez, I haven't played Advanced Warfare in forever, so that's why I'm not doing well.
Enemy care package incoming.
Oh! I was just standing there.
We've lost the advantage.
Let's get the Savior.
Enemy UAV
I
online.
hate these. Oh.
Have contact.
Okay. Let's go. Ah. Ah. Yes. This AK. Let's use this, guys.
We've taken control.
This is a good weapon. Gosh, I almost shot. It's a tie game. I didn't see anyone. I don't see nothing. I'm just running around. What happened? They only have 2 people? What? I don't know what happened. What?
Our UAV is online.
Why do they only have 2? Oh no! Good job, team. I'm gonna go around this way. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're gonna win. Jeez, they only have 2 people. Why? Oh! It was the other dude. They're actually doing pretty well. If I do say so myself, or just... Oh yeah, I accidentally removed this weapon. That's why there's no attachments. This dang is like a beast. It's a dang beast gun. Yes! I knew I should have done this. Let's do a sitting and waiting strategy. Can we get him? Yes, we can.
Friendly UAV above.
Ah, I couldn't get a hit marker. Let's try the MP11, just the MP11, because we need to get better at weapons. That's the reason why I'm not doing well with Oh! No aim. Oh, little buzzkill there. I'm Dr. Captain Buzzkill. I was Captain Buzzkill right there.
Decloak sequence activate.
No, we don't need help. I'm not taking that. This thing steals our kills. The heck? Heck with that thing. That thing steals my dang kills. The only reason why we have 4 kills is because we should have one more kill than what we have. Dang it, Warbird! This Warbird is like gonna steal everyone's kills. They only got 3. Okay, 3. That's fine. That's better. And I know where he is now. But I hope he's not. Oh, he is still here. He was.
Incoming enemy care package.
I can't believe this game's still in. We're Atlas,
Enemy
guys.
UAV online.
Woo! Nice kill. Oh! Should have got a hit marker. Should have done a hit marker. Grenades left and right, and we can't kill them. Stick with the MP11 because this weapon. What?
Enemy UAV
Okay.
online.
That didn't make any sense.
Incoming enemy care package.
I think it's better with the sight. Oh, I was gonna go for the rapid punch. Dang it, dang
Enemy
it, dang it.
SS-1 Falcon inbound. Take cover.
Oh my gosh. Get out.
We're losing this fight.
This weapon's not as much range as you think. But it's got some good range. It's definitely better with sight. Definitely better with sight, I can say. Oh no! We're getting killed. We're gonna lose, guys. We're freaked up. We'll lose. Our name is lose.
Enemy care package. Incoming.
Come on, guys. We need
Enemy
to get this
UAV
scared.
above.
Come on, it's
Enemy
time.
Goliath inbound.
It's time! Oh my!
Alice, stand down.
Oh my gosh! The first time ever I have played Team Deathmatch where a tie has been enabled. I was after him. There we go. Thank you. 4 and 15. Terrible, but we got 4 assists. That is fine. Whatever will get me closer to promoting. See how long this video is. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And yes, my Wi-Fi back. And yes, we ranked up. Alright, so let's go. I'm gonna go play some Infected. Wow. Yeah. Let's go. I'll be right back. Bye.